big story from Bangalore today: vandalism and violence. The perpetrators, those who are meant to uphold the law, not violate it. Lawyers assaulted the media at a Bangalore court earlier in the day, upset with local TV channels for what they called one-sided reporting. The police had to intervene with lathi charge and tear gas shells. In January, lawyers had gone on strike and blocked the entire court, saying that the media was one-sided in their reporting. As we air this story tonight, local channels in Karnataka are running black in protest against the violence. Radhika Iyer reports.
A video journalist bleeding from his head, an OB van smashed, violent lawyers, police lathi charge. These were images at the City Civil Court in Bangalore on Friday noon. Close to 500 lawyers attacked the media in Bangalore by hurling stones, helmets, iron chairs. Reason for attack? The lawyers were upset that a section of regional media in Bangalore allegedly was biased during its reportage in January of a lawyer strike against police action on one of their colleagues.
Chaotic scenes right outside the City Civil Court, where we are coming to you meters away from the media being asked to leave, and violence right there at that particular Maruti van, which I saw being crushed. This is a group of violent people. Situation getting absolutely under control. The police trying to use tear gas, lathi charge as well to try and disperse the crowd. The lawyers at this stage extremely violent and attacking the media. We are trying to take a safe place. We are a few meters away. If you can see the City Civil Court, that's the building, the City Civil Court, meters away from Vidhan Soudha in Bangalore City, completely cordoned off. High drama over the forenoon right here in this particular place. What you're seeing, this particular crowd is a mix of a few media persons, some onlookers, and more importantly lawyers, smashing cars all through this particular corridor, all right outside the City Civil Court.
10 journalists, many of them cameramen, are recovering in different hospitals in the city. 7 lawyers, 30 policemen have been injured during the clash.
उसी का रिवेंज लेकर ये सभी वकीलों ने मारामारी कर दिया हमके साथ. जो हमारा ओबी वैन था, डीएसएच भी था, और हमारा रिपोर्टर और कैमरामैन सभी को मारने लगे.
The government will take action against who beaten our media people. There is no excuse for this incident.
The media is doing human service to the country, and to target the messenger is constitutionally unacceptable. And I hope that good sense prevails and the media is given the respect that it deserves.
Section 144 has been imposed in the court area, which is meters away from the Vidhan Soudha. A case of assault has been registered and the police is using footage from the media to identify the attackers. In Bangalore, with camera person Alphonse, Radhika Iyer, NDTV.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.